Presenting Bosch 7 kg fully automatic front-loading washing machine with inbuilt heater in the color silver. This washing machine comes with 1200 RPM for higher spin speed and faster drying time. The volt check deals with power fluctuation and interruptions, resuming the wash cycle from the last point once the power is back. This washing machine comes with Vario drum, which is specially designed to protect your delicate fabrics with foam detection system. It also comes with eco-silence drive motor for low noise level. The anti-vibration design of this washing machine provides stable performance. The active water function senses the laundry weight automatically and adjusts the water level. This washing machine also has child lock so that children cannot change the setting. With the drum clean feature, you can remove lint and other toxic residue from the drum. You can add or remove laundry during an ongoing cycle with the reload function. This comes with 2 years warranty on product and 10 years warranty on motor. You can avail the EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10 days return or replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.
Once your washing machine is delivered, Amazon will raise a request on your behalf. You will receive an SMS confirmation from Amazon regarding installation. Someone from the brand team will contact you for scheduling the installation visit within the next 24 to 36 hours. A brand authorized technician will visit on the mutually agreed date and time slot to install the product and explain the features. Refer to the installation page to know more on what is covered under free standard installation. The technician will charge a nominal cost for extra materials, if any. The following things need to be kept ready before the technician visits for installing the washing machine: a tap connection for water intake, an outlet connection to drain water, a 15 amps electric point. Ensure it has proper earthing to avoid electric shock. For fully automatic washing machines, an inlet pipe fitting, an outlet pipe fitting, and product demonstration are covered under free standard installation. Please note that the base stand or additional materials used during the installation are not covered under standard installation and will be charged extra. For semi-automatic models, installation is not provided by the brand, as it is a plug-and-play device. However, it is recommended to refer instructions of the service manual carefully before using the product. Product demonstration for semi-automatic models may be provided by the brand on request made through the brand toll-free number. For further information, please visit the installation and demo page. You will also find the Amazon toll-free number here, as well as the list of brand toll-free numbers